Okay guys, update. We found the problem. Problem was some idiot mechanic worked on her with his customer's vehicle. She's been a good customer, so I did a little bit of her digging here and there. I watched my video. If you watch my video, you will see the crank pulley. Take a look at the crank pulley. Well, what I want to do is I want to remove this sticker. First of all, somebody else, I don't know why there's writing on this. So people do dumb stuff, okay? That's been opened before. You got tape on it. So it says bumper Y Frento. I don't know what the hell that means, but we got a crank pulley here. I'm gonna open this up. Hopefully this is a correct piece in here. What I need to do now is get me a little knife. So if there's anything wrong here, at least it's on the video camera. So part number, the brand and the part number, all right there. If you guys want it, it's 102182. And that's the brand. In here, we're gonna take a look. I want you guys to see this pulley here, this crank pulley. So here's the crank pulley. We're gonna match up. So this doesn't look like, I'm not sure if this is a correct too, but let's see. It's gonna be that one in there too small. We're gonna take a look. This doesn't look correct to me either. I'm not sure. People do all kinds of crazy stuff, so let's take a look underneath. Okay, so this is what this baby looked like. Look at the difference here. So the crank pulley is completely off, so I'm not sure even that's one correct. Somebody tampered with it, because the one that pictured the guy showed me doesn't look nothing like it, the parts guy. So I want to take off this bolt here. This is a 19 millimeter. We're gonna remove it with the impact. I did release the belt, so make sure you release the tension of the belt from the top. So we're gonna put our impact gun over here, and our compressor is down right now. So folks, we don't know what happened here. The customer went to so many different mechanics previous before us. She had an accident. They did all kinds of stuff. There's some markings over here. You can see they worked on this car like junkies. What can I do here? So my compressor is firing up. Let's see if we have enough torque here. Okay, there's our bolt. So the belt was squeaking so much, we replaced the belt. Then it turned out it's still squeaking. So then I looked at this. This didn't look right to me. So this thing has to come out. This pulley has to come out very easy. Just wiggle on it. And it's moving. Yep, there you go. The little notch right in the center, gotta go through there. So look at the difference. Look at the difference on this pulley. Look how small this is. So the belt obviously is gonna have a slack. And I don't know, maybe a wrong engine. I don't know what happened here. So this thing gotta fit on it perfectly. So we're gonna take the new pulley. Remember that little notch, got a line. So make sure, oh, the belt is kind of bothering me. So right there, it's gonna sit right there. The belt goes right back on. And okay, so our bolt. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna smack the bolt on. If you want to lock it up with the torque wrench, it's all up to you. Don't have the specs here. Usually, I don't want to waste anybody's time. So you do want to pay attention to, since we don't know the pulley and everything. So hopefully it doesn't rub on the block here. It shouldn't rub there. So I'm gonna take a look at that before anything, and I'm gonna lock this up, and then we're gonna go put the belt on. And we'll start up the vehicle. Anyways, that's that. I did have a cover over here. So this cover goes right here. And I want to put that on last. Okay, it has two bolts and a clip, but I'm gonna put that on later on. So let's go up above. I'm gonna put the belt on, and we're gonna check it out if it makes noise anymore. It's done. Let me show you guys. Belt was kind of hard to put on because now there's no more slack, and you can't put it. If you're able to put it right here, you got an issue. You gotta slip it onto the water pump. Okay, so I'm gonna start this guy up. No more noise with this guy whatsoever. I'm gonna crank this up, and it's still cold in here. there you have it, guys. Job well done. Thank you for watching my video. Again, this is the harmonic balancer for this little guy. It's called the crank pulley or the harmonic balancer. And that's what that needed. So be careful with your mechanics. Some mechanics, they don't know what the hell they're doing. Sometimes it's nothing what you could do. So this lady had an accident. I thought she had to change the engine. Maybe it's the engine. I'm putting on the wrong engine belt because the engine is different. But I discovered it. Thank you for watching my video. There is not a car in the world that we can't fix. Man made it. Man can fix it. And same thing with the computer. Computer cannot be smarter than a man because the man made it. Anyways, stupidity is something that we can't fix, okay? So get yourself a good mechanic because, again, stupidity is something that we can't fix.